Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious soufflé pancakes without any milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps create a more stable meringue. We'll also use a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. This easy method ensures fluffy results every time. Now let's prepare the batter. Carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks, placing them into 2 separate clean bowls. In the bowl with the egg whites, gradually add the sugar while whipping them until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This meringue is key to the pancake's airy texture. In the other bowl, gently whisk the egg yolks with the flour, baking powder, and vanilla extract until just combined. Avoid overmixing the yolk batter. Next, we'll combine our mixtures to create that signature soufflé texture. Gently fold about 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk batter to lighten it, then carefully fold in the remaining meringue until just combined. Heat a non-stick pan over very low heat. Spoon generous dollops of batter onto the pan, leaving space between them. Add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan and immediately cover it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once golden brown and cooked through, carefully transfer your fluffy soufflé pancakes to a plate. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a drizzle of maple syrup. These light, airy, and delicious pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. They're surprisingly easy to make and incredibly satisfying. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.